G'day folks, Jim Langhans here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Monday the 8th of October. Friday saw a brief rally in risk assets after the US unemployment data showed a drop to 7.8%. The non-farm payrolls came in pretty much as expected at 114k, although there were some upward revisions of previous months. The rally was unable to sustain its gains though, and most currencies came back pretty much to where they started, and the Aussie and the Kiwi actually got hit pretty hard, and they saw a sell-off late into the session, taking out some previous supports. Weekend comments from the ECB that Greece cannot expect more time to repay its debts has seen the euro and the other currencies remain under a bit of pressure early on Monday morning. And so we've got the euro. It's managing to hold on to 130 at the moment. It's trading about 130, having closed at 130. It's trading at 130.20, having closed at 130.35. Dollar yen's not doing a great deal. That's at 78.65. Cable's a little bit lower at 161.20, and dollar Swiss is pretty much unchanged at 92.95. The Aussie, that's pretty pressured really. It actually bounced off its 101.50 low to close around 101.90 in late thin trading on Friday, but it's given up those gains. It's currently trading around just under 101.60, and the Kiwi's at 81.70. More consolidation really looks likely today, given that we've got both Japanese and US holidays. It's Columbus Day in the States, but the pressure looks likely to remain on the downside for most currencies, and I think the euro it may come under a bit of pressure and head below 130, but I don't think it's really going too far away from there today. The Aussie, that does look heavy, and we may see a test of 101 later in the session. We've got some secondary German data out later today, but before then we've got ANZ job ads, and then the HSBC Services China PMI, so that could see a bit of volatility later on. Overall, though, look for a pretty quiet day given the holiday sessions, and expect some mild downside pressure on the currencies. That's really about it for today, though. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.